At last, after 3 long years, my black pepper started to bear flowers, and now they are turning these flowers into fruits. Well, that was the promise of the owner of Carina's Garden in Talisay, Batangas, when they delivered to me the 3 black pepper seedlings in 2022. I ordered from them 3 black pepper seedlings, but one of those seedlings did not survive. During the long hot summer of 2024, it died. And it died a natural death, just like the other plants in our garden. What you are about to see are the 2 surviving black pepper in our garden, one of which is already bearing flowers, but the other one is still coping up with the changing season. It is just so lucky that since May, rain is frequenting our place. My only problem is that I have no trellis for this black pepper, and so I let one of them cling on my chico tree, and then the other one clings with the dragon fruit. I have these thoughts and consolation that my 2 black pepper will give me more produce, because I could see how healthy they are. Sometimes I am tempted to order more black pepper seedlings online, but the thoughts that I can also produce my own seedlings stop me from doing so. By the way, producing black pepper seedlings is quite easy. You are just going to cut the stems where there are more roots, and then plant it in a separate plant bag. Water it every day, and the seedlings will easily grow naturally. Put the plastic bags where the black pepper seedlings are planted under the shade, where direct sunlight will not affect them, and for sure they will grow, will not wither, and will have the greatest chance of survival. I should know this because this was my work when I was still working, because we have a big mother black pepper plant which supplies most of our needs for black pepper. This is also the mother plant where I used to pluck stems for new black pepper seedlings, but this mother black pepper plant died when I had this vacation in my daughter's house in Canada. That was the same reason why when I came back, I started looking for online seller of black pepper seedlings. And luckily, I found this Karina's Garden, which is located in Talisay, Batangas. The price was affordable, and they have this free delivery to every house in the nearby towns of their place. Unluckily, however, I must have to wait for 3 years before it finally start to bear fruit. And at long last, those 3 years are over. And today, I am very happy because when I visited my black pepper plants, one of them is already bearing flowers. If you have some more vacant spaces in your garden, I urge you to plant black pepper so that you will not buy anymore, and you can use as many black pepper as you desire. Thank you for supporting this channel always. I wouldn't have reached this far if not because of all of you. So thank you very much.